Acer Nitro 5 Gaming Laptop Acer AN515-51-55WL. Review Deal Discount Unboxing Setup. For the money, I'm satisfied with my purchase. I bought it to be used as a remote work PC for software development, .NET apps, and for occasional gaming. Screen, colors and black levels are great. Its max brightness is probably too dim for the laptop to be used outdoors, if that's important to you. Keyboard, nice to type on. I still prefer full keyboard laptops like Alienware and old Dell laptops, but I can type quickly on this and it's comfortable enough. Heat, it's pretty much always warm, regardless of what you're doing. The upside is that's true when gaming, it doesn't get extremely hot. Weight, it doesn't feel heavy in my lap and it's well balanced. It's very easy to open and close the screen one-handed. Good build quality. Battery, okay. So long as the 1050T GPU is off, it seems to have a 4-hour battery, of actual use. Since this is a gaming PC, I feel that's decent. Performance, Witcher 3 runs at 55-60 FPS consistently W/1600 by 900 and high graphics, hair works off, and looks great. Titanfall 2 feels like it runs at 60 FPS with 1080p and high graphics, but I haven't ran it with fraps to be sure. Overwatch is an unwavering 60 FPS at high settings. Regarding upgrades, there is an extra hard drive access panel and an access panel for, I assume, RAM. I opened the hard drive panel, saw there was a cable and mounting hardware for an extra drive, so I connected a 256GB SSD I had from a prior laptop. I restarted the laptop, Windows 10 detected the drive, and I was able to format it in seconds. I'll probably add a second 8GB stick of RAM as a future upgrade. So many mixed feelings about this thing from people who say buy the better one. Well, I did not. I bought this because it fit my budget and man am I glad I did. The haters all said it won't do X or it struggles with Y, well F those haters. This thing is smooth, looks cool, and runs like a dream. I've been playing League of Legends mostly but I confirmed it would run PUBG and CS:GO with no issues. If you don't have the funds for a Predator and just want a laptop that can game, this is the one. Not to mention, it's a laptop that can game for under 1K. Special discounts on product. Get the discount link in the description box.